Say good morning mga shots! It's a morning today and we are going outside to see sunshine again. Where's the sunshine, baby? Sunshine. There you go. The sunshine outside is quite, baby. Why you look like that? Wala sa mood pa yung baby ko. Wala pa siya sa mood. We're gonna see sunshine. Sunshine. How's everybody here? See, how's everybody? How's everybody? Walang tao sa labas. You want to go for walk? Or ride? Wanna go for ride or walk? Let's sit down first. Wanna go for walk, Yana? Up, no. Put in your mouth. Come, let's go for a walk. Come on. Hey, sit. Keep walking. Go on, Jur. Jur, where's Moody? Moody. Where's Moody? Let's baby Yana. Okay? Let's have coffee. Oh no, Mama give it. Mama gonna open it for you. You want this? Alam ko lalaruan mo lang to eh. Fita. That's not very nice, Ayana. No good. No more. Tingnan mo, tapos namumulot siya. Basta sa batang ito. Ayan na. Oh. Just a little. Tiny one. Tingnan mo, kumakain naman siya. Eat. Mama will enjoy my coffee. Kailangan na natin magdilig. Ayan na ng ating mga halaman. Nagtutuyuan na. Baby, what's our plan for today? Where are we going? We're going to Tita Shea house. What's today anyway? Today is Monday, right? Don't throw it away, please. Ayan na, baby, no. Ayan na, look at mommy. When you have food, but you have to put it here. No wasting, please. Good job, mommy. Good job. Okay, I'll give you now. Oh, mommy, half for you, half for mommy. Oh, this one, hold it. Hold it. One for you, one for me. Let's eat it together. Come on, hold. Okay. Oh. Very good, mommy. Good job, mommy. Good job. Not Ayana. Yeah, because you threw it away. You're wasting your food. One more. One more. Can I have another one? Oh, let's half. Half for you, half for mommy. Oh, come, let's eat together. Cheers. 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 No cheers. Eat. Eat. Ako naman tuloy kumain. Tulala ka na naman. Monty, what are you doing, Monty? Mm. Mm. Wait, mommy. La 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 la. Kagigising lang, mami. We will read this. A, B, C, D. Oh, turn that off na. There. A, B, C. Come on. A, B. Oh, you want the shapes? What shape is this, baby Yana? Square. Look at this one. This one. Uy, kinakagat niya man. Hindi ko tinatanggal yung ano pa, yung plastic para lagi siya naka-ano dyan, nakadikit. Naka-intact siya dyan. Kasi pag hindi ito naka-dikit, malamang mawawala na to. So, baby, what is this, baby Yana? What color is this? Green. What's the shape? No, here at the back. Circle. Uy. Kagigising niya lang mga shots. Buti pa siya nakatulog na. Naka-morning nap na siya. Ako yung labada ko doon, nandoon pa din. Hindi pa natapos yung labada. Diyos ko, araw-araw naglalaba ako. Ayan na. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy kami today kasi magano sana kami magsuswimming kami ni Ayana with Tita She and Malia. Right? Para matagal na rin kami hindi nag-ano nun. Kailan ba yung huli natin, baby Yana? When was the last time we went to swimming pool? Last year. That was around November yata yun. If I'm not mistaken, matagal-tagal na rin, baby, no? So, we will go today, this afternoon, pagkatapos ng school ni Ate Malia, we're going to swim. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkakasya pa yung swimsuit mo. Baby. Yeah, let's read. What is this? Your little ones will learn to wash and get clean on their own. This is Ate. Ate, babay daw. Ate is taking a shower. Look at Ate. Yes, si babay. Nagbababay yung kanyang ano. Listen here, baby Ana. Look at here. Look at the book. I'm a big now. I can do things by myself. One day, you will do the same thing with Ate, okay? Just ko na yung magmar. Oh, read the books. What's this? That's mother. That's baby Ayana. There's daddy. And here, it's mommy. Yeah, books. That's what you call book. This is a book. You can read the book. Look at this one. Ate is taking a shower. Yes. Yes. Oh, where's the alphabet? Do you want the alphabet? Huh? Ay, yan ka magaling. Puro kagatan. You want me to get the alphabet? I will read alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There you go, my baby Yana. That's one. That's a nice view. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, P-I-N-D-O. P-I-N-D-O. P-I-N-G-O. Ang bingo, what's his name? Oh, wag lang tayong makopyright. Oh, baby Yana, mama need to trim your nails. You know that you have a long nails? I don't know what happened to my face, but I got scratch on my face this morning. Ay, hindi naman this morning. Ito, oh. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya nakuha. Kinalmot yata ko ito habang tulog. Hindi ko na matandaan kasi yung kuko ko maliit nga. Sabi ko sa isa kong vlog, maliit yung kuko ko. Imposible ako yung kumalmot nito. Pero meron na siya mga kalmot. Mahaba na kasi yung kuko nito. Ang bilis naman humaba, baby, yung kuko mo. Can I trim your nails? Look at your nails. Oh, see, yucky. Look, it's yucky. Should I trim your nails? Can you be good? Mama, we're gonna trim your nails. Look at mommy. Look, it's too short. I don't have inside. Oh, high five. Yay. High five, my baby Ayana. Where's my kiss? Give me mommy kiss. Kiss me on my cheek, my chin, my face. Kiss me on my face. No? Oh, high five. Yay, very good. Inaantok ako, baby Yana. Baby Yana, pwede bantayan mo ako matulog? Ay, di ko alam. Ang sakit ng mga kasukasuan ko lately. Hindi naman ako na-exercise. Baby Yana, no? Pero masakit yung kasukasuan ko. What's that? Your saliva? You? Yeah, your saliva. Ah, my baby. Sunod, baby, malaki ka na. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, my baby, Yana. Oh. Oh, what happened to the camera? It's black? What happened? Oh, no. Oh, no, my baby, Yana. Ay, don't put that in your mouth. That's dirty ka. Yucky. There's what do you call that? Dandruff. Mommy has lots of dandruff. Gusto yung aking dandruff. Hindi ko na maintindihan tong aking dandruff. Oh. Nasa kilikili yung kiliti nito eh. Open your armpit. I kiss your armpit. Baby yan ang pew. Kiss armpit. Oh, tummy. Aray. Okay. Kaya mo yan, girl. I just gonna yeah, baby. Hindi pa tayo nag-almusal. Nagkape lang ako kanina. Tayo nag-almusal, baby. You want eggs? Ha? Dapat pala, pinutulang ko ng kuko yung ano niya kanina habang tulog. Yes. Oh! Ay, malapit na mag-ano, baby Ayana ko. Ang bilis ng panahon, malapit na mag-ano. Up. Matapos yung ating January na naman. Yana? Baby Yana? Oh, be careful. Wait lang, may chismis. Hi! How is the baby Ayana? Wakey. Ang bilis naman ng baby na yan. Ang bilis naman ng gising. How was your sleep? Ay, you might fall. Just stay there for now. Kiss mommy, give mommy kiss. Ay. Huh? Ay. Hi, baby Yana. Shut on.